So if you're like a lot of executives, you're trying to figure out how to connect with people and how to build a bridge between you and the person that you're working with. One of the techniques that we always stress is to go deep and understand who that person is at their core. And by understanding what motivates them and what drives them, you're better able to really connect with them on a deeper level. One of the tools that we use is called a mind map. It's based on research that came out of Xerox as well as other places. And it combines that research into something where we can take a look at the four quadrants of a person's mind. These are the four ways that many people think about the world, solve problems, and move forward in their lives and in their careers. Let's take a look at the four quadrants. You can see the four quadrants here, and they basically, starting in the upper left-hand quadrant, is the analytical quadrant. These are people who collect data, analyze facts, embrace logic, and like numbers. Moving clockwise, you can go over to the imaginative quadrant in the upper right-hand side. These are people who are holistic, intuitive, innovative, conceptual, big picture. A lot of times entrepreneurs are in this quadrant. Bottom right is the interpersonal quadrant. These are people who are emotional, supportive, feeling, expressive, and inclusive. And then in the bottom left is the sequential quadrant. These are people who are organized, structured, detail-oriented, and process-oriented. If you understand the person you're working with and use this as a model to help you figure out how they view the world, it'll help you connect with them and build a bridge to them. Now, most people are driven or dominated by one quadrant, but they might also have a secondary quadrant that influences their behavior. So most people are going to be things like analytical plus a little bit of imaginative, or interpersonal plus a little bit of sequential. It doesn't really matter as long as you understand when you're working with somebody, how they see things, how they view things, and that way it'll help you build that bridge that we're always looking for. I hope that's helpful to you. My name is Jamie Turner. These are the unspoken rules of leadership.